Charline. Welcome to the 2018 Urban Sketchers Symposium here in beautiful Porto, Portugal. Can you tell me your name, please?
I'm Charline Moreau.
And where are you from?
I'm from Nantes, France.
Okay, great. And can you tell me about what it is you typically like to teach in a workshop?
What I like is drawing trees, but I like to use them to frame a composition.
Okay.
For example, I have some sketches like that.
Beautiful.
It's a place with big platen, and there is a panorama,
right,
and there is so many plants, and we have to make the people enter into the sketch.
Yes, I understand. You're creating space between the trees.
Yeah, so there are many levels, and so the values will be different in different levels.
Okay.
So for the first sketches, before painting, because I use watercolor, I used to do some sketch like that.
Okay, so these are kind of value studies then?
Yeah.
And just with pen and ink?
Yeah.
And pen and ink.
Different, there is 005 until 08.
So is this your final sketch, or is this a study for a sketch?
This is just a study.
Well, it looks beautiful, like it could be a final sketch. It's
Thank
beautiful.
You.
Yeah.
And I used to do this before paintings too.
Yes.
Paintings, and this is just the same scale, but in more little to be quick.
Cool, that's beautiful. What else have you got?
Next, I have some in progress drawing. This is the same thing. I draw with pencil, and after I put some layer. The first layer I used to put the light and shadows is an indigo layer.
Right.
Because I can put some color on the top of it, and it doesn't change the color, and I have my shadows, so I don't have to think maybe it will be more dark or more light. So I have my blue lines, and after.
So you're putting in the shadow before you put in the rest of the color. Wow, that's really different.
After I put the color, and so the blue is less blue, and so it disappears, and the light appears. That's
a great idea. That's really interesting. Beautiful. That's beautiful, Charline.
And I have the same kind of thing in black and white. So it's the same kind of thing, but with pencil and ink pen.
Okay, so is this a night sketch?
No, it was
just
in
the
light, but
shadow.
Yeah, it was in the summer, and it was really hard, so the shadows were really, really dark. And so the white leaves give some light to the thing.
So when you teach a workshop, you're always focusing on, you like to focus on the values.
Yeah.
The light and dark.
The most important for me is the light.
Do you have another example for me? This is wonderful. I mean, I think people taking your workshop would really be very lucky to learn so much about value from you. Wonderful.
Thank you. This is in Montpellier. It's a sketch I did when I was traveling.
Yes, it's
and
beautiful.
It was in fall.
Yes.
So the colors were amazing. There were some yellows, orange, and I put some purple on the first one.
Yes. It
was the atmosphere that I felt in this place.
Right. Well, that sounds like it would be a wonderful workshop. So thank you so much, Charline, for chatting with me today.
Thank you very much.